If you've been wondering how to build a form that sends data to multiple platforms without wasting hours on setup, this is the only tutorial you need. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it fast, and by the end, you'll have a working form that pushes submissions to tools like Google Sheets, Slack, your CRM, or even email, all at the same time. Stick around because I'll also show you where to get an exclusive free trial to the software we're using, available only for viewers of this channel. So let's get straight to it. First, you need to use a form builder that supports integrations and automations. I've tested the most popular ones: Typeform, JotForm, Google Forms with plugins, and a few no-code platforms. Most of them either limit where you can send your data or require complicated setups. The software we'll be using solves this cleanly and lets you send data to multiple platforms instantly after someone hits submit. Once you're signed up using the link in the description, start by creating a new form. Add the fields you need: name, email, phone number, anything specific to your workflow. Then go to the automation or integration section. Here's where it gets powerful. You'll be able to set triggers for what happens when a form is submitted. Want the data to hit Google Sheets instantly? Add an action to send each new entry there. Want a Slack notification with the form data? Add a Slack action. Want a contact added in your CRM or a follow-up email sent through Gmail or MailChimp? Add those too. The best part is, these actions stack, so one submission can fire off multiple actions across multiple platforms at the same time. That means no more copy-pasting, no more downloading CSVs, and no need for messy third-party automation tools if you don't want them. Now, a quick tip: always test your form with real sample data. Make sure every integration fires the way you expect. Most errors in these setups come from missing fields or misaligned data types. The software we're using has built-in testing so you can preview everything before going live. Also, don't overlook conditional logic. If you want different actions based on what someone selects in your form, like sending data to a different CRM based on the user's answer, it's all doable with this software. Alright, let's recap the main steps. 1. Sign up using the exclusive trial link below. 2. Create your form with the fields you need. 3. Go to integrations and stack actions to send data to multiple platforms: Google Sheets, Slack, CRM, email, whatever fits your workflow. 4. Test everything. 5. Publish and go live. So the key takeaway here is this: building a form that sends data to multiple platforms doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, it's as simple as drag, drop, connect, and launch. You've just learned how to automate a process most people still do manually. If you found this helpful, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only for viewers of my channel and lets you follow along step by step with zero cost. Thanks for watching.